Hi, my name is Benjamin Jeffries. I'm 25 years old and I work as an FY1 doctor in acute medicine in Birmingham. I went to Coleg Gwent, Vale between 2012 and 2014, and I was part of the first cohort of students who did A-levels at Coleg Gwent, Vale. I did A-levels in biology, chemistry, maths and history. I got an A-star and 3 A's. Subsequently went on to study medicine at the University of Birmingham. I also did a BSc in clinical anatomy in that time. I graduated last year and as I said, I'm now working in acute medicine. I had a good experience at Coleg Gwent. I think it set me up really well for university. I think the college sort of environment suited me quite well, I think, versus school. It was supportive and had lots of help and support where I needed it to get through my A-levels and obviously achieve good grades. But I did think that there was a level of independence which I wouldn't necessarily have had in school, and I think that really helped me with the transition to university, where obviously that sort of level of independent study is kind of expected. I know that in more recent years the college has put in some sort of more formal programs to support those applying for university and courses like medicine, which I think is fantastic, especially in an area like Llwybrau Gwent, where there aren't many people applying for those sort of courses. So I think it's great that they have the support. Overall, I had a great time at Coleg Gwent, and I definitely think the support I got when I was there helped me to achieve things I have and to get to where I am today. So I would definitely recommend it to others.